Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. Let's talk about the Weeks of Wonder Epicure collection. So they have actually just started today, October 20th, and I'm very impressed so far. I will leave the link for you guys to my Facebook group on the bottom. If you're a customer looking at this, or if you are a consultant, then stay tuned and let's see the amazing things that we have. So the first one that I saw right away was this little Chef Baking Pro collection. We've had a similar collection like this before, and we even have one now, and they do sell out so fast, probably just because obviously it's around the holidays and you'll be at home probably more than ever. So it's nice to do something with the kids. And even if you're just looking to purchase something for somebody, this is a good gift idea that you wouldn't necessarily think about. This one is my favorite, our turkey dinner collection. The green bean casserole, we have that every holiday, at least so far since I've been a consultant, and it sells out very fast. It's amazing. This is a must-have, trust me. Next one, our gingerbread cookie. We've had something similar in the past too, extremely popular. It sells out very, very fast. So definitely, if you're a customer, you want to order this now. Like, I'm not even kidding. I say the same thing to all of my customers. I say, if this is something that you want, any one of these collections, you definitely want to order them ASAP. If you are a consultant, don't wait until tonight to order, because if you're trying to put all the orders in at the same time, you might lose out and your customers won't be happy with you because they will sell out fast. This is a really good stocking stuffer idea. You can either give one to each person or just give it as a 3-pack. We have amazing popcorn seasonings, a lot less sugar than you will see anywhere else. Our peeler, we've had this before. We have had the apron before, which will always come in handy. And this is just sort of the overall price list. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will leave the link for you guys down on the bottom.